Well, folks, we are back one other time for tonight because after having some kind of minor thunder and lightning activity earlier today around mid-afternoon earlier today, we are finishing up the day, believe it or not, with some high wind, if you don't mind my saying so. It's dark out, so you can't see the trees really moving very good, but you can definitely hear it for sure. See if I can zoom in a little bit here. Just trying to zoom in a little bit here. You know, because I'm not sure how well you all can see it, but at least I can see I'm in between some of the trees. You know, neighbor's flag is really moving pretty good. I think I may have got it zoomed in as far as it'll go, I think. Zooming in icon is a little bit challenging to work with on the device that we're recording off of. Yeah, I don't think you folks really can see very good, but one of our neighbors' American flags is kind of moving pretty good. And again, it's dark out, so I know you can't hear it, but you know, you can hear, you can definitely hear the wind roaring really good. Not sure how high they said the wind was supposed to get tonight. It sounds like it's at least 40 or 45 miles per hour, at least. See our shrub right here moving pretty good. I know that. You can hear some rattling along along one along one of along one of our poles and stuff throughout the property, either along one of our poles throughout the property, or one of the poles in one of the other area properties. Wow, man, listen to that. And that wind we got right now is completely intense. Is completely is complete is completely intense for sure. I wouldn't be surprised if we hear one of our trees somewhere around the edge of our woods end up cracking and falling over with how high and how strong the wind is right now. I think it sounds kind of like it's enough where it could bring one of our trees in the edge of our woods down. Haven't heard anything sounding like that yet, but I just heard something over. I just heard something this way a little bit. Just heard something that sounded like something cracking, over this way a little bit. Woo! Man, this wind is getting intense. This wind is really getting intense, everybody. This wind is extremely strong. Extremely strong here, everybody. All right, everybody. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's gonna conclude vlogging and videoing for today and for tonight. For tonight. Be safe out there. Don't get blown over with how strong the wind is right now. Be careful of any flying debris and stuff with how strong the wind is right now. And most importantly, got to stick to the social distancing, of course. Well, again, nobody would want to be out right now anyway with how strong the wind is. Have a good night. Be safe.